The Berlin Cathedral, or Berliner Dom, stands as one of the most iconic landmarks in the heart of the German capital. Its striking architecture, rich history, and impressive interior continue to capture the imagination of visitors from all over the world. Dominating the Berlin skyline with its majestic dome, this monumental church represents a masterpiece of design, blending intricate artistry with profound cultural significance. Located on Museum Island, the Berlin Cathedral is much more than a house of worship. It is an architectural wonder and a symbol of Berlin's enduring spirit. Its towering dome and ornate facade are visible from afar, marking it as an essential part of the city's landscape. Though commonly referred to as a cathedral, it actually serves as the high parish and cathedral church of Berlin. Unlike traditional parish churches, its congregation is not based on geographical location, but rather extends to all baptized Protestants in the surrounding areas. This majestic building's roots trace back to the 15th century, when it was originally part of the Berlin City Palace. Throughout the centuries, it has undergone multiple transformations, shaped by the hands of some of Germany's most prominent architects. One of the key moments in its history came in the early 19th century, when Prussia's leading architect, Karl Friedrich Schinkel, transformed the then court church into a neo-classical structure. However, the grand building we see today is largely the result of a later renovation by Julius Karl Raschdorff in the late 19th century. Raschdorff drew inspiration from the Italian High Renaissance and Baroque styles, giving the church the monumental design it is known for today. One of the most striking features of the Berlin Cathedral is its magnificent dome, crowned by a lantern with a golden cross. This dome is flanked by 4 towers, each adding to the building's regal presence. The interior of the church is equally as breathtaking, a testament to the late 19th century's fascination with grandeur and display. Upon entering, visitors are greeted by lavish decorations that include ornamental mosaics, gilded features, and a collection of impressive statues. These elements come together to create a space that exudes opulence and splendor. Every inch of the cathedral has been thoughtfully crafted to reflect the grandeur of the German Empire, including the hand-carved oak pulpit, which was designed by Otto Raschdorff, the son of the cathedral's architect. Another noteworthy feature of the Berlin Cathedral is its reconstructed pipe organ. This incredible instrument, built by the Wilhelm Sauer manufactory, was originally constructed in 1905 and boasts more than 7,000 pipes. The organ's rich and powerful sound continues to fill the cathedral during concerts and services, providing a remarkable auditory experience for the over 1 million visitors who come through its doors each year. Beyond its role as a place of worship, the Berlin Cathedral offers a wealth of cultural and historical experiences. The on-site museum provides an opportunity to delve into the building's fascinating past. Here, visitors can explore drawings, designs, and models that illustrate the evolution of the cathedral's architecture over time. Among the most impressive exhibits are the walk-in models, which allow for a truly immersive look at the cathedral's layout and structure. No visit to the Berlin Cathedral would be complete without ascending the 270 steps to the dome's outer walkway. Included in the ticket price, this journey rewards visitors with breathtaking panoramic views of Berlin's city centre. From this vantage point, the beauty of the city unfolds, with sights like the Spree River, the Lustgarten, and Museum Island stretching out below. The climb may be steep, but the view from the top is well worth the effort, offering an unparalleled perspective on the vibrant cityscape. For families visiting the cathedral, the event calendar is filled with activities, including kid-friendly concerts that offer a unique opportunity to engage younger visitors in the grandeur of this iconic space. In conclusion, the Berlin Cathedral is not just a church, but a living museum, concert hall, and cultural treasure. Its richly decorated exterior and interior reflect centuries of history, while the panoramic views from its dome connect visitors to the present-day energy of Berlin. Whether it is to admire its architectural beauty, to take in its history, or to experience its serene atmosphere, the Berlin Cathedral offers a journey through time, art, and spirituality. It remains, as it has for centuries, one of Berlin's most remarkable and unforgettable attractions. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy exploring.